This father said yes.
Hi, I'm getting married. Vows and music.
Oh, I think he's going to be a man of few words. Come on. Oh, Mum got him changed. Wedding starts in 1 minute.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need.